Hello ladies and gentlemen. In today's video I'm gonna show you one very interesting container management platform called Portainer. But first of all I will have to explain you what is the difference between virtual machines and containers. Virtual machine has, let's say, has the infrastructure, which is, for example, my computer, and after that has the hypervisor. You have different types of hypervisors. Let's say you have a type 1 hypervisor or type 2 hypervisor. One of the most famous type 2 hypervisors are VirtualBox and VMware Workstation, where you can create a new virtual machine, put an operating system, load it from a ISO file and install it. So if you want to create a virtual machine, you're gonna have, let's say, Windows operating system here, Linux operating system here, or another type of operating system here, and after that comes the bins and libraries, and after that it takes your application to run. In the container engine, what is needed is, let's say you have an operating system, like I'm using here Windows, and you have a container engine, like I'm using a Docker, and the container engine, on it is running only the binaries, libraries and the apps needed, and the guest operating system has been removed from the whole picture. Why is this needed? Because it saves you a lot of resources. You're gonna have to have, let's say, Windows operating system here installed, and here only have on the container engine directly installed your app. Let's see how it all works. I have a Docker for Windows already installed. It's pretty easy. You can search it on Windows, Docker for Windows, and you can download it and install it. For saving some time, I already did that, and if I search Docker desktop, I already have installed. It's already running. So if I go into my terminal and I type docker ps, I don't have any container images installed. But now I will install Portainer. Portainer is a very good orchestration tool, and all you need to do is run this command into the Docker, and what it will do, it will map the ports 80,000 to 80,000, and it will download the image directly into your computer. I already have downloaded it, so that's why it goes that fast. So now I run docker ps. It shows that I have already running Portainer for my Docker images. So if I go into my local host on the port 9433, I have the Portainer, which is very handy. And you can see I have a one container that is the Portainer. And this is the container that I'm running. And you can also add other containers or stacks. In next tutorials, I will show you how you can add images on this, add networks, volumes, containers, and a lot of things that can be done. It's pretty handy. If you don't want to do this in the terminal, where you can see the same image here in the Docker PS, this is the same image that I'm watching here into the container between running. If you want graphical user interface like this shown for your containers, stay tuned, watch the next video, and if you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you.